Natural language processing, NLP, is a critical field of artificial intelligence that focuses on enabling computers to understand, interpret, and respond to human language. NLP serves as a bridge between human communication and machine understanding, allowing technologies like ChatGPT to interact with users in a more natural and human-like way. NLP is integrated into many modern applications, from chatbots that answer our queries to sentiment analysis tools that detect emotions in messages, and even translation services that help people overcome language barriers. NLP plays a vital role in enabling these services. Key concepts in NLP. To understand NLP better, here are some core concepts. Tokenization. Tokenization involves breaking a piece of text into smaller units, often individual words or sentences, allowing computers to process them more effectively. Part of speech tagging. This technique helps identify the grammatical roles of words within a sentence, such as whether a word is a noun, verb, or adjective. This is essential for machines to understand grammar. Named entity recognition, NER. NER helps identify significant entities within a text, such as names of people, places, dates, or brands, making it easier for the AI to understand context. Sentiment analysis. Sentiment analysis is used to figure out the emotional tone behind a text. It determines whether the writer is happy, sad, angry, or neutral. This is particularly useful for social media monitoring and customer service interactions. Techniques and approaches in NLP. NLP can be approached in different ways. Rule-based methods. These rely on predefined language rules to interpret text. They work effectively for straightforward tasks, but can struggle with varied or complex language. Statistical methods and machine learning. Modern NLP commonly uses machine learning and deep learning to analyze text and improve its performance over time by learning from data. Large language models, LLMs. Large language models, LLMs, are AI systems trained on enormous amounts of text to understand human language in depth. They are termed large because of the extensive datasets they use and the many parameters they contain to facilitate learning. LLMs, such as ChatGPT, are critical for developing AI that understands and generates complex language patterns and produces human-like responses. Prominent examples of LLMs. GPT-3, known for its capability to generate human-like text and answer questions, making it one of the most powerful language models available. BERT. This model focuses primarily on understanding language. It excels at tasks like sentiment analysis and answering questions accurately. T5, a highly versatile model that can perform tasks like translating languages, summarizing documents, and more. Applications of LLMs. LLMs have a variety of applications. Text generation. They can write essays, create stories, or generate marketing content. Summarization. LLMs are adept at condensing long documents into shorter, more manageable summaries. Translation. They can translate text from one language to another, facilitating cross-language communication. Conversational agents. LLMs are used in chatbots to create more realistic and engaging interactions with users. Generative AI. Generative AI has numerous practical applications. Content creation. Writing articles, drafting poems, or generating stories. Personalized marketing. Creating tailored marketing messages or advertisements based on user preferences. Game design. Developing new characters, levels, or even entire game worlds. Data synthesis. Generating artificial data to help train other AI models, particularly when real data is limited. How NLP, LLMs, and generative AI work together. NLP, LLMs, and generative AI are deeply interconnected in the way they work. NLP is fundamental for understanding language, allowing AI to bridge the communication gap between humans and machines. LLMs extend this understanding by learning the intricate patterns of language on a large scale. Generative AI builds upon these capabilities to create entirely new content, leading to powerful AI tools like ChatGPT.